Hello everyone, so for the past couple of days I've been working on compositional sprite animations, so let's talk a bit about that. Okay, so let's first import some sprite shades. We have idle sprite shade here, so let's import it. So now we have image, so we now have to slice this image to have each animation frame. We have that in image generator slice per count, and then if we input that image we can now slice it, and as we can see it, we have one row of images and 4 columns. So now we have all 4 of these sprites, and in the looper group nodes we have image looper. So if we now input these images, we can see that now we are animating automatically through these images. Obviously FPS is too high, so let's put it something like 12. And now we have idle animation. If we now create a sprite in 3D scene and create image, we can connect this image with sprite. We can obviously change it height, width, position, or anything. So now we can add additional animations. So let's say we have run. Let's drop that one also. So let's make these 2 nodes. So again, we can now slice this image, also slice per count, and we have 8 animation frames. So again, 1 row, 8 columns. So now we can actually combine these 2 arrays of images, and we have that in image generator, append images. So we connect this one and this one. And if we put them now here, we lost the connection to the sprite, but if we connect it again, now we have first idle animation, then running animation. We can now connect even more. So let's say like we pick an attack animation. Also slice it per count. Again, 8 columns, 1 row. We can append that to the initial array. So append images, use the first and the second list. And now if we connect them and connect again, we now have a character that is first idle, then it is running, and after it is running in a attacked animation. Obviously, as we can see, image sizes are changed, but that is all okay. So that would be pretty much it for today. Thank you guys very much for watching, and see you next time.